Ready? The first procedure is measuring the density of water. What you are going to do is you are going to turn on your electronic balance, and the electronic balance is already turned on. You're going to open the electronic balance lid, and you are going to take your beaker and place it on the balance and record your mass. After you've recorded your mass, I am not going to tell you how to do this, but you and your group need to decide how you're going to measure exactly 50 grams of water. There are two main methods to do this, and it's up to your group to decide what method they are going to use. After you've measured 50 grams of water, you're going to take your graduated cylinder, and you're going to pour your 50 grams of water into your graduated cylinder. This is procedure A, measuring the density of water. You will do your calculations to determine what the density of water you calculated it to be. Every group has two solids. There are three solids involved in this lab. You have lead, you have aluminum, and you have brass. Every group will have two solids. They'll either have lead and aluminum, lead and brass, or brass and aluminum. Every group will have a different solid. The first thing you're going to do is make sure your balance is zeroed, and you do that by pressing that button. And you're going to measure the mass of your solid. Record that. After you've recorded the mass of your solid, you are going to fill your graduated cylinder halfway, and you are going to insert very carefully your solid into the graduated cylinder. The graduated cylinder is made out of glass. Therefore, it's breakable. If you just throw your solid in here, you will break the bottom of your graduated cylinder. The correct way to put the solid in the graduated cylinder is your graduated cylinder, which has 50 mils of water or half filled. You're going to tilt it to the side, slide your solid in like this, and slowly tilt it back up, and it will slowly slide to the bottom as such. I'm going to demonstrate again. The way you put a solid in the graduated cylinder is you make your graduated cylinder has water, tilt it to the side, put your solid in, and slowly tilt your graduated cylinder up till your solid goes to the bottom. And then you measure your new volume. Okay, you are going to measure the mass of the 10 mil graduated cylinder by placing it on your balance. After you measure the mass, you're going to record it. And then you're going to lay your 10 mil graduated cylinder on a flat surface, and you will add approximately 6 to 9 mils of rubbing alcohol. It is up to your group to determine the volume of rubbing alcohol that you're going to add to the graduated cylinder. After you've added the volume of rubbing alcohol that you want, you are then going to remeasure the mass of the beaker and the rubbing alcohol, and you are going to record that measurement.